Hi children, our first chapter living beings is over. Second chapter is how our body works, but it is not included in the syllabus. So we are moving on to the next chapter, food. We know that food gives us energy. It helps us fight against diseases and get well after illness. It also helps in bodybuilding. How? The food gives us the materials with which body builds itself. Let's discuss an example. When a child grows taller, the bones become longer and more flesh is added. The materials needed for this come from food. We know that our hair and nails grow. The materials needed for the growth of hair and nails come from where? From food. So do the materials needed for the repair of a broken bone or a cut. Now let's look into the types of nutrients. We eat food, but we don't eat the same food always. Let's take the case of our breakfast. If today we eat chapati, the next day we might eat idli or dosha. So, we eat different types of food. Why? Our body needs different types of food for different things. The types of food our body needs are called nutrients. There are three main types of nutrients, namely carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Our body needs these three nutrients in large quantities. The body also needs small amounts of two other type of nutrients. What are they? Vitamins and minerals. So, we need carbohydrates, proteins and fats in large quantities and vitamins and minerals in small quantities. We already said that we eat different types of food. These different types of food we eat have different amounts of nutrients that the body needs. For example, pulses contain lots of proteins, while rice contain lots of carbohydrate. Food also have things that our body cannot use. These things are thrown out as waste. Today we looked into the introduction of the chapter. Do revise it. Have a nice day. Thank you.